In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the profile settings while vertex beveling. Tab, to go to edit mode. Let's select a vertex and Ctrl, B, and V, to bevel a single vertex. Mouse wheel, up, or down, to add or remove segments. Type, P, to change the bevel profile. This is how we change the profile setting while beveling. Let's create a new mesh. Let's bevel all the vertices. That complex mesh would usually take really long to model. Let's make it more interesting. Alt-E, to extrude along normals. The pattern continues to the end of the spikes. That's impressive. Let's make this even more interesting, by adding a noise texture. We were able to create this complex mesh in less than 3 minutes. Let's add a material and render the scene. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I'll use the sky texture. I'll use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.